Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on the Agitator versus the Impeller. Watch until the end to find out our verdict on which of the two is better. So, the main difference between Agitator and Impeller is the water usage. The Agitator and Impeller can be found in most top-loading washing machines. However, they perform their cleaning abilities in different ways. If your goal is to have a washing machine that uses less water, for example, get one with an impeller. Conversely, the Agitator uses a lot of water to take on tough dirt from your clothes. A washing machine with an impeller has been designed to use less water and motion. The clothes are driven from the outer rim of the washing basket to the middle, with a small amount of water so that friction can be optimized. So in this category, the impeller is the better option because it uses a small amount of water while washing. Energy efficiency. Impeller washing machines are energy efficient. This is because impeller washers tend to spin clothes at high speeds. This implies that the clothes will not be wet when they are taken out of the washer. With this, less energy is used. On the other hand, an Agitator washing machine allows for clothes to be submerged in the water when being cleaned. This makes it use a lot of energy while performing its function, thus being less energy efficient. The impeller emerges as a better option because it uses a little energy when cleaning clothes. Operation. The Agitator in a washing machine can sometimes be tough on clothes and damage them. Although technology has improved, clothes can still be caught in the Agitator, stretching and even tearing. Conversely, the impeller is gentle on the clothing and will cause less damage to them. The impeller is a better choice because of its gentleness on clothes. Similarities. The Agitator and impeller work well to remove dirt from clothes and leave them clean. Both machines have excellent cleaning performance, capacity, and convenience. Verdict. So, which is better? The impeller is a better top-load washing machine than the Agitator because it uses less water during clothes washing. Additionally, it's energy efficient because it uses friction between clothes and is very gentle on them. Thanks for watching.